Founded in 2000 and located in Wenzhou City, Pneumatic is a professional manufacturer specializing in full industry chain pneumatic customization solutions. With over 25 years of manufacturing experience, we supply pneumatic actuator, solenoid valve, valve manifold, air treatment unit, and pneumatic fitting. Meanwhile, we are the national, industry, standard-setting organization, the member of the Chairman's Circle of the Zhejiang Pneumatic Industry Association, and recognized as a Zhejiang specialized refined differential innovative enterprise. The company's total investment exceeds 100 million Chinese yuan. We have strong production bases and employ over 400 staff members with a new production base currently under construction. Once completed, our production base will cover more than 45,000 square meters. The majority of our products have obtained ISO 9001, CE, and RoHS certifications. Our products are well received throughout all provinces and cities nationwide, and are exported to regions such as the Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America, and Europe. OEM and ODM orders are also welcome. Backed by a technical team of more than 40 professionals, we are able to deliver customized products and services tailored to meet specific customer requirements. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. We warmly invite customers from home and abroad to establish partnerships and create a bright future together with us.